Alright guys, in today's video, we finished off the fast fuel pump wiring, created our air intake, and finished some of the wiring. So if you haven't seen some of our old videos, go back and check that out. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll get started on this build. Alright, so we're making our return line for the engine, the fast fuel pump. And so I've made this block right here, so we have the fast fuel return, which will go to the other end of our fast right here. And then this is going to be our engine return straight into the same line also. So we're going to just tee everything together and use this block as the return that goes straight into the suction tube that we got from fast. So once I get this installed, I'll go ahead and give you guys another update and we'll keep moving along. Alright, so we've been making some progress on the truck today. So a couple things we got done. One, we got our air intake built. Still got to get painted and a couple other small things adjustment wise with it. Other things we got done, we kind of hard to see, but we got our transmission cooler. It's right back in here. We got it installed. These transmission cooler lines, they had to be adjusted out the way a little bit, you could say. Nothing has fit fit quite right. Everything has been a little bit of adjustment everywhere. So we also made a couple brackets to hold the battery cable that goes across the top, and we got our intercooler bolted in also. So we're going to continue going. We also used a couple parts off the Cummins engine to make this heater hose work, just like a little 90, and then we cut off the little pipe to go down to the back down there. So we've been making some progress today. We're trying to get it closer to starting. Got a new oil filter on there, and we got some oil picked up. So we're going to try to continue building this and see where we get today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so next thing, let's fill this thing up with some oil. If you liked today's video, give us a like and subscribe.